Hello everyone. Today we have solved an interesting math Olympiad question, which is a plus b is equal to 12, ab is equal to 30, and a comma b is equal to what? How to solve this interesting math problem? So this is our first equation and this is our second equation. So from our first equation, which is a plus b is equal to 12, this is our first equation. Now you can say easily, here b is equal to 12 minus a. I just move on this a in this side, it will be negative a. This is our third equation. Now at this moment, I take our second equation, which is ab is equal to 30. This is our second equation. But remember that b is equal to 12 minus a. I substitute this value here. So it will be a times b which is 12 minus a is equal to 30. Then this is 12a, this is 12a, minus a times a, this is a squared, is equal to 30. So we have find out a nice quadratic equation which is minus a squared. This is plus 12a. Then this is minus 30 is equal to 0. Then if I take both sides, minus is common, so it will be a squared. Or if I multiply both sides negative 1, so this is minus 12a, and this is plus 30 is equal to 0. So at this moment, we have find out an interesting quadratic equation. But here is a is equal to what? So how to simplify this question? Now you can say this is a, this a, it will be minus b plus or minus a square root, b squared minus 4a, c over 2a. This a, it will be 1 here. And we have find out the value of a in this quadratic equation. Then here a is equal to minus b. b is 12, this is negative 12, and this is plus minus a square root. This is b squared, so minus 12a squared, then minus 4ac. a is 1 and c is, this is 30 over 2 times a, this is 2a. a is 1, a is 1. Then this is a is equal to minus. Minus, this is plus 12 and this is plus minus square root. So this is 144. Minus 120. This is 24 over 2. Then if I evaluate, this is 24 over 2. Now if I separate this fraction, we are find out a, which is a is equal to 12 divided by 2. Then plus minus a square root 4. This is 2 and this is a square root 6 over 2. Now you can say here is a is equal to 6. 12 divided by 2. This is 6. Plus minus this 2. This 2 cancel out. This is a square root 6. So we are find out two solution. Both are real solution, which is a is equal to 6 plus minus a square root 6. So you can say here is a 1, this is positive below, 6 plus a square root 6, and a 2. This is also positive below, 6 minus square root 6. But remember that b is equal to what? So remember that or recall our third equation, which is b is equal to 12 minus a. So I substitute this value here. I take this value here, this equation. So it will be b, this is our third equation, which is 12 minus 6, b which is 12 minus 6, then 12 minus 6, a which is 6 plus a square root 6, and this is 12 minus a which is 6 minus a square root 6. Now this is 12 and plus minus, this is minus 6. Plus minus, this is minus a square root 6. And this is 12, this is minus 6, minus minus, this is plus a square root 6. So we are find out our final answer, which is 6 minus a square root 6, and this is 6 plus a square root 6. Now you can say here our final solution here. Where is ab? 6 plus a square root 6. When a is equal to this time b is equal to 6 minus a square root 6. Then when a is equal to 6 minus a square root 6,